What do you think drives the activity and interest in Bitcoin? Its recent rally hasn't come to any good news, so I'm wondering what you think the catalyst may be.
Asymmetric opportunity.
You're damn freaking straight. Okay? Go ahead, though.
I mean, yeah, the perceived value of it and probably the perceived velocity of the move, too. If you're looking for something that has had a lot of velocity to it, to both sides of the market, Bitcoin is one of those products, and maybe as it matures, that velocity is a little more muted, but it's still there.
Okay. So, first of all, the best time to do something, there is no reason why things happen. All right. We've talked about this a gazillion times. I mean, Tesla being a perfect example here. The stock is rallying on them lowering the price of their cars. That's when you would think they would sell it off, but they sold it off in anticipation. Markets are they can see the future better than you can. And so people trade emotionally based on what they hear today, and it's usually wrong at that particular moment. So what drives the interest and activity in Bitcoin? All you need is, there was so much negative sentiment in cryptocurrencies. I mean, I'll tell you why I wrote the whole story about why I thought Bitcoin had asymmetric upside was simply because they've been trying to kill digital assets now for the last year. Every single bit of bad news, from corrupt companies to fraud to scam after scam to hacking, and you couldn't hurt it. It got to a level where it was like, hey, you know what? Nothing bothers us anymore. And as soon as the first buyer stepped in, just thinking, hey, maybe we can make something happen, the thing rallied 25%.
Right.
In like a week. No real rally should come on good news. Good news will be the top in Bitcoin. So you don't want any good news. If you're a Bitcoin bull, you don't want any good news. You want the catalyst to be nobody be able to figure out what the catalyst is.